Okay, today we're going to do a little test of these new Irwin Ergonomic long nose pliers. You can see what they are there. They're the, I guess, kind of bent nose pliers. But they're a wire cutter, needle nose, wire stripper for size 12 and 14 wire solid, and 14 and 16 gauge wire stranded. And let's see how they perform. So I already cut the box open so we could just do this. There you can see they're pretty nice. Made in Germany. Have a nice feel to them. They have a lock here so you can lock it closed. You get a close look in there. You see the wire stripper part. And this part here looks like some sort of grabber. So let's start. I got a piece of wire here. Let's start trying out the grabber. I'll grab this piece of wire here. Alright, grabber works pretty good. You can see there's a couple little teeth in there that grab the wire so it doesn't slip out like it would if you were just doing this. So let's do a little test on the wire stripping part. So this is a 14 wire, so that'll be the smaller one in the front here. Good job stripping it. Good job. Let's try cutting it. Pretty good cutters. Let's try cutting it with the skin. Pretty good there too. Not much force needed to cut it either. Let's try another strip job. Pretty good strip job. Not seeing any nicks. I do see a little scrape here, but no nick. Like where, you know, if you nick it here, it's a potential break point when you hook it up in your electrical. So all in all, not a bad set. Nice cutters, nice leverage on it, and in here you can see they have jaws, so you could use it for like a wrench. So you could lock onto a nut or a bolt and turn it with these pointy hex-shaped notches. So anyway, I think these look pretty good. I think I'm going to be liking these, using them in my workshop and around the house. You see the oil leaking out of here? I didn't add that oil. That was that came from the factory like that, which is a good thing. It should be oiled. I bought so many pliers where as soon as I bought them, I had to oil them. And these are oiled nicely. They're very precision. You can see the little space between the jaws there, the cutters. Cutters are nice. They cut very easily. The grabber, just grab any wire and it will not leave. And it leaves a little mark in the wire. See it? Okay, and I should show you this, how it cuts like a whole piece of, first we'll cut the tip off. You see it cut that nice. It's like a friggin' pair of scissors. See how it cuts through this? 14.3. Well, it has one piece missing. So let's stick that back in there and see how it works. Stick that back in there. Remember, this is 14.3 and a ground. Nice. Cut through the 14.3 pretty easily. I like it. You can also do precision trimming. I like this. This is a nice pair of cutters, strippers, everything. Oh, it also has the holes for the lanyard. So if you're working on a ladder and you're required to have a lanyard on your tools, this has it built in. Nice comfort grip handles. You just slide your lanyard in the hole, so you could have it around your wrist in case it slips out of your hand. And that's just one of the other features. Okay, so this is the Irwin Ergonomic Ergo Multi Long Nose Pliers. I have to give it 2 thumbs up. I like it. And you can get these on Amazon. It's a real good deal going on right now. And check out the link I left for you below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.